So guys, for the first step, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you're going to click on the sound icon. Now you're going to click on select sound output. Make sure that under output device, you have your correct output device selected. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now under playback, you're going to find your speakers. You're going to click on it and then click on set default. Make sure that it's now a default device. The green tick will appear right here. And now for the third step, you're going to double click on your speakers. And now you're going to click on levels. Make sure that you have this turned up and that this is not muted. And now you're going to click on enhancements. Make sure that you have disable all enhancements ticked. You're going to tick this and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find audio. Click on run. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on yes to run the automatic diagnostics. You're going to follow all the steps that come up here. And then once you complete this, you then want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.